If I check off right now, how much money you give me? Right, like just like this. If 5 grand gone,
Not
people.
true.
If 5 grand gone, right now my 5 grand each, I'm gonna buy a bucket of KFC. Anybody?
You don't ask too much question, man. You don't always... Gaga country. One people.
But you man a record that?
I think we just start recording. Me never catch the whole of Coach Empire Drive, pa. Me never catch. Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to the most special vlog I think we've done thus far, in my opinion. I'm your host Joe Mar.
I'm Rush.
Emil. And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting vlogs, discussions, debates, and everything else on the internet.
Yeah, people are tired. And the people are at work, you know man, we're at work. We're on our way. We're getting to the vlog too quick. People, don't forget to like this one, leave a comment under the video, and subscribe to This or That Sports TV. Do one more thing though.
I want you guys to share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure to get us 6 subscribers, because if each and every one of you guys can get us 6 subscribers,
can you imagine how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day?
Yes, people, it's road trip time. Talk to them, bro.
yeah, people. So as you can see the bags under my eyes, you know, you can see Rush look like a duppy, basically. You know, Emil is the only one that seems to be well rested.
I'm a morning person, people. It's a normal thing.
So we had to get up early because we're headed to Montego Bay, the second city, people. We should not tell them, you know, we should not surprise them and make them
Let
see.
them know, bro.
They might
Let them
see.
know,
Yeah,
man.
exactly. Yeah. So we're headed to Montego Bay, people, you know, but because we have the reggae girls, you know, we love our reggae girls, we love girls, period. You know, but specifically our reggae girls, and we're going all the way to Montego Bay to support them and to carry the same unprecedented coverage that we always carry to you guys. But I mean, if we always do it, it's no longer unprecedented. Because we set the precedence.
That's right.
We're
We're gonna show them how that one I got tough though. Watch it.
yeah. So people, we're not just going straight to the match, you know, we have so much to do, you know, we're going to be in the streets, you know, probably go to the beach, you get me? So we'll probably
Nice of a video.
we'll probably talk to a few beautiful ladies, right?
Never
Rush?
lie.
Like the idea.
Never tell a lie yet.
Yeah, and you know, get the opinions of the people. We're there in the road, people, so if you're there in St. James, and you see that video, you miss me, bro. If you're in the video, that means you never miss it. You get me? And you come see it and then you come talk to it. You get me? Rush? It's like a time loop type situation. But anyways, people, we just pick up the bus and we're about to get going on this long road trip. So just stay tuned. Long journey ahead. Yeah, people, so Rush a beg as usual. But anyways, yeah, people, so we're there. You get me?
No, bro, let me tell you, people, give me a camera. Anybody know them Jews here? Them could have make it a bigger buckle. I like me a tell. But go on.
So yeah, people, we're there in the porous right now, alright? I eat some bad juice because you know when you go on a road trip, you have to stop at juices.
And you can't eat breakfast here. They used to go on
You
road.
cannot eat breakfast here. Now people might be saying, why would they porous? No, which way we're supposed to go? You don't ask too much question, man. We don't always ask so much question. But yeah, people, we start a road trip.
You know, answer question.
We start a road trip and we just do a quick pit stop, you know, full up the belly and get ready for the rest of the day. How you feeling, Emil?
Feeling sensational.
What's your score prediction for your match today? No, not tell me. Not tell me. Not time for that yet. Anything you want to say to the people before you show the people your food, dad? Let me see your food now, bro. So let me try to see your food.
Like a mukbang. I'm not here, guys. A minute, people.
Bro, with the sports,
Pray before you eat.
but that means that we can mukbang too.
Blessings.
That is it.
People, you know what thing, bro? Big up on yourself, you gotta eat. Man, I talk it. Captain Sports Complex. So we're in Montego Bay right now. And we're just going to talk about the game a little bit. Then we're going to head to the game, people.
How we should play against top teams because we are ourselves a top team. So yeah, people, you know, we're checking back in. We're in Montego Bay. We've been doing a lot of work, so we haven't checked in as frequently as we wanted to do. Because we wanted to bring them on the trip with us, you know.
Yeah.
But bro, we're here, and you know we have a few hours before game time, and we're in Montego Bay, so we can't just not enjoy the Montego Bay.
Let's see the second city, Bridget.
Yeah, so we're in the beautiful Harmony Beach Park, you know, and I did bring a change of clothes and I did bring swim trunks. I'm not going to show you guys me swimming because I think that's a bit unprofessional, but I have to get a swim.
Somebody wants to see that. Somebody out there wants to see that.
I have to get a swim in the water before we go to the match, bro.
If I chuck off right now, how much money you give me? Right, like just like this. $5,000.
If you chuck off,
$5,000?
you
$5,000.
know,
That's too easy. That's too easy. That literally took $5,000. Get your money $5,000. That's too easy.
You gonna chuck off in that?
I gotta drive off for the car and come back.
No.
Give me
I'm not come back and pick you up.
Why not?
Cause the
I'm
traffic.
a give you a grand.
Yeah, either.
I'm a give you a grand.
The traffic,
I'm
bro.
a give you a grand.
You can't pay me.
Give
You
me
can't pay me
$5,000.
grand fee. You have to walk across the
I
road.
bust that in half.
Eh?
$2,500 money
We'll come back and pick you up.
Give the money $5,000 now. Give the
$5,000.
$5,000.
We'll come back and pick you up.
Brother, me and
Ready?
Chuck. Give the money $5,000.
You
Give
serious?
me, I swear, bro. Give the $5,000 going at this just like this.
But you're a cool dog.
Business. People, you are doing it for the vlog, alright? Shout out Andrew Travers.
Do it for the vlog.
Give me $5,000, right?
No,
them not so
stop at them. No, pull out the $5,000. Pull out the. This I get up on the vlog. Yo,
Then I
no.
People, you must scam me. They make big talk and them know say, yo.
You can't afford it. You
Take
can't
out the
afford it.
$5,000.
Draw out thing. I give them pocket.
No, I want to the $5,000. The vlog wants to the $5,000.
Show the $5,000.
The vlog wants to the $5,000.
Boom. No, people don't have to see nothing.
No,
Give
them,
me a
them,
pocket.
I'm gonna take that on pocket and show the people them.
I'll show the people.
Alright, people.
I'm gonna chuck off.
People, hear me, I'll give you $5,000. No,
Check off.
I think
Check
you not get it back if you check off. 2,500, me pick you up and you walk with. Nah, I don't even want to pick you up back, bro.
$2,000.
I don't want to
Check
pick you up back, bro, because of the traffic, dog.
Say you don't want 2,500.
I don't think it's worth it.
Yeah. So I'm get the whole $5,000 and I'm walk through the
Yeah,
rest.
man, yeah.
Oh, so the badness come down. So people,
That the man have blow the whistle now, Georgia. The man have blow the whistle now. Show the people them walk on.
Show people what I'm going. Show the people, show the people.
Show the people walk on, bro.
Show the people.
The man have
bro,
blow the whistle.
run, go and go check off now. The worst,
go check
what's
off.
the worst that can happen?
Yeah.
Run, go and go check off. The $5,000, nothing the worst that can happen. So people, take off your shoes, bro. At least, now make you take off your shoes.
Give me a
That
shoe.
work for you.
Give me a shoe.
Emil, why you take you?
Move now, Bridget. You not get back your money, so I know
Yeah,
where
go on, yeah, take it, go
Emil,
on.
you should have forced him for going in them shoes. I just show me give me a blind. Because for me, I was going in them shoes, bro. You know that?
I'm sure.
And you know some artists.
Got you.
Do it for the vlog, alright?
People. So people, $5,000. This is a 3-minute video, bro. Come to man, youth.
Bridget,
Come on, bro.
Don't you know, man? Relax,
Man.
relax. Put some music over this and watch it, people. Make I check my pockets again.
Brethren, go in the water.
See there, what
No, we're not
see
for
there?
heartless. We're not for heartless.
What?
You have to complete
We're not for
the
heartless.
submerge.
Make sure empty your pocket. Empty your pocket.
Emil, you have to submerge, you.
Submerge
chuck
fully.
All my hat.
Fully.
All my hat, people.
Chuck off.
Go on.
For $5,000. For $5,000. Emil, you $5,000. Bust up, Emil.
Go on.
Emil. People, the cameraman.
People, what's it? If $5,000 gone. If $5,000 gone,
Got
people.
you.
If $5,000 gone. Right now, my $5,000 each. I'm going to buy a bucket of KFC. Anybody me see at the game? Well, on, man. Anybody, me have to keep it on. One them see. Anybody me see at the grill, me have a piece of chicken. If you, me I buy all breast, by the way. So if you like breast, me I give breast.
So they say, you want to pick you up?
Yeah, bro. Me I give a grand.
No, it doesn't more like
You can't, you can't.
Never
Give
give
five.
I walk them.
Eh?
I walk away.
All right.
Why?
All right.
Yep, Emil, if I'm... Alright people, so we go around, we do some work. We went to the beach, you know. We had a swim, some people swam with all their clothes on. Smarter people like me would have swum normally like how people swim.
It's online, Rich.
No. No. we're about to head to the Catching Hall Sporting Complex, you know. If I'm not mistaken, also a member of the Independence Park Limited, bro. You know? And yeah, so hurry up and get changed because the people them would have say yeah, gamble email. Cause him bet him thinks he wouldn't do it, bro. Him thinks he wouldn't do it. Rush, you know where him do rush?
Oh, I'm sure of it.
Him sure, dog.
Sure, man.
You can't show a man friend, Bridget, no time.
No, sure of it.
So yeah, people, we're going to change our uniform now. We're going to hit the Catching Hall and we're going to conduct some serious journalistic work, you know, so until the future. So yeah, people, we've spent the morning and we've done the work that needed to be done. You know, we've officially taken off our vlogger hat, but I guess more literally our vlogger shirt, and put on our journalist shirt. So right now as it stands, we're currently sports media. You know, we just entered the Catching Hall Sporting Complex with a bit of hassle, re-accreditation, but alas, we got through. Anyways, people, you know, as you can see, we have our serious face on because we're about to do some serious work, you know, because the Reggae girls are about to come. It's been a while, bro, since we've been at a national senior team game. You know, and I'm excited. I'm excited, you know, I'm happy that Reggae boys / Reggae girl football is back in the country, and I can't wait for today. Yeah. Obviously, there's a lot to do, so
this is my first time actually watching football, you know, in Montego Bay. So I'm excited to see what it offers. You know, I'm at the famous Catching Hall Sports Complex, bro, and the field looks nice. It looks like, you know, it will offer some good football.
I disagree.
Yeah, it looks decent to me,
that
bro.
field does not look very nice, but
people, we're going to show now, only can tell. We think the field the field look nice, and we're going to see, hopefully we can see some good football. Isn't it?
How you feel about the game today?
Oh my God, I'm super excited. Yeah, I'm very ecstatic. You don't know where the police to protect and serve, you know? And to reassure that the Reggae girls them go with the 3 points. Although are friendly, so don't know. So you are going on now. We're not lay with the thing. Up and running. Normal alive, right through like Night Joe. Jamaica Reggae girls all the way.
So who are your favorite Reggae girls?
The favorite, what's your name? Khadija?
Monisha.
Yeah, that lovely one there. Monisha, yeah. Right, sure.
So how much you predict the game I go finish?
Well, tonight I don't know. We not work with no joke on a Chelsea team this. I don't know, so we not up on no losing streak, a winning streak.
So what is the scoreline?
The scoreline will be 2-0.
Alright, my boy.
Right through like Night Joe.
When you hear that, right through like Night Joe, Jamaica 2, Paraguay 0.
Right, that's all.
Man himself.
Well, I'm here because my daughter, you see that group of girls walking, is with the grassroots team or something grassroots where they're gonna train them to prepare for future Reggae girls.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why I'm here.
Oh, so your daughter is a future Reggae girl?
Yes.
What is your daughter's name?
Amelia Hobson. So next time when she's playing, you'll know that name.
Alright, so how do you feel the Reggae girls, the real Reggae girls, the senior girls, how do you feel they're going to do today?
I think they're gonna do great.
Give me a score.
Don't you think so, sis? Them hang up. Huh?
Give me a score prediction.
2-0.
2-0. And do you have a favorite Reggae girl?
Not at the moment.
Wait, but Amelia is going to be a favorite Reggae
Yes.
girl. That is it. Alright, people, you heard it here. Yeah, people. So we're there, you know, energetic drummer is here, and I don't even know what I say. But I'm there because I'm happy because you know, the girl them a warm up, bro, and mash up the play dog, and Jamaica go mash up a side, bro.
A lie?
Talk to them.
Yeah, bro. People, sorry for forsaking you guys. You know the vlog. We're working. We're live right now. You see me? So we are the 2 things right now. We're live. We're recording the vlog. We're taking pictures. Show them the live. I think a joke thing.
So for all the people watching this right now who are on that live,
Leave a comment.
yeah, leave a comment and saying I was on that live, you know? That would have shot.
Yo, bro, watch out now. My day about not work right now. Isn't it? Not funny thought right now. Right?
Put this on my shirt.
Like everything more expensive at Montego. I never know this. You didn't know this?
Like times two.
Oh!
Hey, second up.
Push. One. Inside. Come again. Yeah, that. I say everything more expensive.
Times
So
two,
right
bro.
now we're gonna test something. One of them greater cake you stay them are probably 250 at most.
I'm not a greater cake. It's a greater cake.
The peanut things are probably 2 bills at most. 2 bills are probably the most expensive.
Yeah.
I Kingston. So we're gonna test now and see much for you.
Bro, but if you call the money you have to buy,
You have to buy?
why me have to buy?
Because are you want to?
No, but are you win the 5 grand today?
So what have to do with you?
So that means that you have to buy it.
But 1 high 5 gonna have to do with you.
You get the people. If you gamble, the man will win the money. Like
You're a
you have to
leech,
grab
bitches. You're a leech. See money all of it. Anyways, people, we're gonna see.
Man, see my friend now look at him and deal me from big thing where thousands of people.
With a key friend, isn't it? Straight.
You know I'm a change dog.
So you have a home 5 bills.
How much you want? 250?
Yeah.
How much you want greater cake?
3 bills, that no bad. That no bad, bill.
Bro, I literally been to greater cake at home. I got 3 times.
That no bad. Oh God, we don't expect like 4 or 5.
300% of the price.
You look rich now. You look rich.
I look like tourists, bro.
People, tell me. $300 bad for a greater cake.
Bro, I'm bills.
But I stayed probably 2 bills.
Bro,
I stayed there. Chat on the game, people.
if you see man out the road, I try to sell a greater cake for $1.50. Run him, bro. Run him, bro.
Honestly, like, we're going on really fine, but I'm not tell no lie, we have a lot of opportunities. We just need to capitalize on them, you know? But I like what I see, no lie.
Man of the match so far. Sorry people. Who won the match so far?
Honestly, can't give nobody at the moment. Still a look, you know? Need something more decisive to happen.
So what do you think needs to be altered? What do you think needs to be changed in the second half for us to get the win?
Alright, to be honest, we start the match really well in regards to composure, but we start doing a lot of long ball over, not working out for us. So I just think we need to keep the composure and push forward.
And give us a message that you want to send to the Reggae Girls. So we've been asking people that all day from morning till now. Give us a message that you want to send to the Reggae Girls.
Honestly, I'm just proud of them. The man them now go World Cup, them I go. I'm proud of them. Keep doing what they're doing, you know?
And my partner don't want me to ask this question, but I'm going to ask regardless. You know, which team do you prefer, the Reggae Girls or the Reggae Boys? I have to ask.
Honestly, I can't tell. When last match a Reggae Boy match, you know? And look where am I? I am right here.
What go on? How stay, bro? Second half just start.
Where's the dog? Your body with angles?
Yeah, man, a demons, man. Where I say, bro? Second half just start,
The rough person want a haircut,
I look rough too, but guess what? I have to do it same way,
No,
though.
look rough for the dog.
You don't look rough for me. Joe, you have to beat that.
Yeah, no.
You have to beat. No one beat.
One time hit left hand. One time hit. Yo, show them the grenade. Show them the grenade. Show them the grenade.
Hello? Yeah. Bro, second half just started. Still in all. Wanna love it.
Catch a corner.
I go this. Watch this.
Wait.
Can't watch this, people. Can't watch this.
So yeah, nil all. You know, Jamaica has, have gotten the lion's share of chances. You know, we've outpossessed them for the most part. You know, we've provided good opportunities, but we were just failing to convert. In addition to the fact that they have produced outstanding goalkeeping.
Yeah.
You know, the Paraguayan goalkeeper, she's made quite a few saves. You know, quite a few very important saves that have kept them in the game. You know, I think it's only a matter of time before Jamaica manages to break the deadlock. But as for now, nil all, and I think we deserve more.
Yeah, man, I agree with you. I expected to see a few goals. The game started well. We could tell that we're a bit better than them. We're way better than them actually. And I expected a few goals by now. Still going with more than one goal, bro, to end this game. So people go and watch. Is it?
There's definitely goals for it, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Catch your corner now, bro.
I like.
Catch your corner, I like.
Can't left.
Also making her exit. Cage waiting. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the final whistle. So Jamaica winning their first of two friendly international against Paraguay by 1 goal to nil.
But we take the win and we move forward and we just polish up on our mistakes.
It's fun. What's your name? Charisma, nice name.
Going in, but it's football and so we missed some in the first half, but no, there's no concern about that.
Say I leave that me hard. Tell them to go back where they came from. No demonic words perform shall prosper. Yeah. Sing us a song, Beijing.
No, brother.
I know you don't know the rest, you know.
I don't know the rest.
Where is it, bro? They done? We have more work to do?
Yeah, we have a post-game analysis to shoot. I think we'll be making our way back to the field before the
Yeah, we can go around here, sir.
But we have like the same way, you know them way. The people must still have to on energy. The Reggae girls gave us a win, you know.
Big up.
Yeah, we talk to the people then. We hear what them have to say. All in all, a good performance. Alison Swaby, unfortunately, we didn't get to speak to her today, because she was bomb rushed by the media really quick.
Jaja. Hold that, bro. Back in you. Nice. People, make a start it back. We have to read some light, man. Oh, God.
Yeah, people. Oh, what a day. What an absolute day. Bro, I really need a haircut now.
Me too.
But anyways, yeah, we're about to pull back in, at the Kingston. It was a long day. What time is it now, bro? I'll check the watch. The watch dead.
2:22.
Marshall dead. Which girl that on your home screen, bro?
That one, move me that one. Just come down. 2:22, 2:30, bro.
2:30.
Yeah.
So people were out before daylight and we're back in again after that. Back in Kingston. Bro, how was your day?
was a good day, bro. I enjoyed it. Just can't wait for reaching and have some sleep. That's the vibe. Wake up in the morning.
So you don't have work for
some
them.
more work. A lie?
So you don't have work for them.
Work done for the day, man. We can't tell you that much. Work done, man. You see,
What
it was
is
a
it?
good day, all in all.
What's your favorite part of the day?
Favorite part of the day? Don't know, we take some money from some guy. You see, chuck off in a one Harmony Beach, a lie? Yeah, what you say for you?
Virgin, I listen to maybe 92nd minute, bro. As myself, I go for watch a football match. You know where some people go for
You win again, bro. Strikes again. Winner, chicken dinner. Anyways, close out the vlog, Virgin. People, don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment on the video. Subscribe to this or that Sports TV. Is it? Yeah.
And share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure to get to 6 subscribers. Because if each one of you guys can get to 6 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers that gets by the end of the day, people? But, you know, after a long day of work, it's time to get some rest. Yeah. Because even God there for rest now, bro.
God
so,
there for rest.
So then who is we? What's in the cup?
Eh?
What's in the cup, homie?
In my cup, stays in my cup, man. How about it?
People, this was This or That Sports TV.
How we out? Cups up.